So in this part, we will try to find out the sum of series. Okay, so uh, with this part, uh, we have segregated our lecture into subtopics. Okay, so this is type 1, where you will be solving questions based on simple observations. Okay, you know that how to expand x plus y power n. You know that the first element will take nc0, and then x power n, y power 0, then nc1, x power n minus 1, y power 1, nc2, x power n minus 2, y 2, and this thing will keep on going till ncn, x power 0, y power n. So based on simple observations, we will try to handle this situation. Okay, now look at your question. So if you'll observe your question, you will observe that in every term we have 81 power n. I'll change the color. Okay, so we have 81 power n over here, 81 power 1 over here, 81 power n, 81 power n. So in every term we have 81 power n common in everywhere. Okay, so can I take 81 power n common from everything? Now look at this. First entity is 1 and second entity is minus. Okay, and then we have 10. Correct? So can I write 2nc1 10 power 1, then plus 2nc2 10 power 2, then 2nc3 10 power 3, dot dot dot, plus 2nc, like it is not 2ncn. Wait a moment, I will write down this thing 2n. Now look at this. For the symmetricity, I think we guys have problem with the first element and the last element, because in every other term we have binomial coefficient NCR. Okay, now look at this. I will try to recreate the situation. So we have 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3, and the power of 10 is increasing. So here can I say that we will have 10 power 0? Correct? Now be super slow. Look at this. We have binomial subscript as 2nc1, 2nc2, 2nc3. है ना? So in first part, can I say we will have 2nc0? And in the last part, can we say that we will have 2nc2n? And you know that 2nc0 is 1, 2nc2n is 1. Correct now? So we have created the pattern. Okay, now just try to break these things to write down the final result. Okay, so my point is you have to figure out n, you have to figure out x, and you have to figure out y. Okay, if you'll observe, the lower subscript of c is 0 and the upper subscript of 10 is 0. Lower subscript of c is 1, upper subscript of 10 is 1. Lower subscript of c is 2, upper subscript of 10 is 2. And you know that it is only possible if 10 is the second element. Correct, no? Means y. Lower subscript of c carries the same power as y. So can I say that y is nothing but 10? Correct or wrong? So y is our 10. So we have x is missing. We are not able to find out who is x. We have NCR, we have y power something, but we don't have x. So can I assume x to be 1? Because 1 power anything will make no difference. So can I say that x is nothing but 1, y is nothing but 10? Now look at this. Also, if you'll observe, we have negative sign when C is having odd lower subscript. Correct or wrong? It is only possible if y is minus. So minus 10 power odd will give you negative number. So can I say that this thing, this ugly thing, is the expansion of 1 minus 10 power 2n, because upper subscript is 2n everywhere and upper subscript of C is the power of x plus y. Correct or wrong? Correct? Now, I hope till this part you guys are comfortable. Now be super slow. So 1 minus 10 is 9, minus 9, minus 9 power 2n. It's a even power. So it will become 9 power 2n. Now observe the denominator, 81 power n. So can I write 81 as 9 square? So 9 to the power 2 to the power n. So it will become 9 to the power 2n. So this thing gone, and we got result as 1. I hope you got this simplification, okay, and you can handle similar situations. So you have to observe a lot, okay, and then you have to create the pattern. I hope the idea is clear and you can handle similar situations, okay.